Today, we learn creative use of clipping mask tool. There are so many videos on YouTube which explain only function of clipping mask tool, but they don't explain where to use this tool in practical life. So, I will teach you the most creative way to use clipping mask in poster or banner design. So, without further delaying, let's start the video. This is our main image of poster. First of all, open a new document of size 1800 pixel by 1200 pixel. I remove the background of our main image. You can watch my previous video to learn how I remove background of image by using pen tool. Link of video is mentioned in description. Now, I drag this image to new document. Now, I add one more image of man with mask in the Photoshop. You can download these images from the link in the description. Place it near left corner. Now, make a mask on this layer and hide some portion as you can see on screen. Now, we make a blue colored layer in the background. To change color of background, I unlock the background layer. Click on color overlay and select the blue color. Now, I drag one image of virus in the poster to add effect. First, I increase the size. And then change its blend mode to screen. I also try lighten mode, but I feel screen mode looks little better. You can also try some more blend modes and then choose the best one. Move this layer below the two main images. Now, I increase the focus on main images. So, I blur the background image. Now, select background image layer, go to filter, blur, and select Gaussian blur. Choose the value of radius near 10. Now, I add brush PNG. You can easily download these brush PNG from internet. Just search on Google brush PNG. Now, make a copy of brush file. Rotate it, as you can see on screen. Now, I drag the same mask man image again. I already add this image, but don't copy it. Because we use mask tool on that layer. So, add it again. Now main step of video. How to use clipping mask tool. Make a group of brush PNG by pressing Ctrl or Command G. Now select the mask man layer and right-click on it. Select create clipping mask. Adjust the size of image. It looks cool. But we make it more attractive. Draw a rectangle on brush strokes. And again clipping mask for rectangle. Now change its layer mode to overlay. I also try lighten, screen and color dodge modes. You can also try some more blend modes. And choose the best. It looks cool. Please comment below if you have any query or suggestion regarding this video. But the color of all the images is not matched. So, now, I try to match all the colors. Here is a very simple trick to match colors. Make a copy background virus layer. And move it at the top of all the layers. Double-click on Gaussian blur and increase it to maximum value. Now change its layer mode to overlay. It looks cool. I also changed the layer mode of mask man to screen to make it attractive. Now, select type tool and type protect yourself and others in one line. And in next line coronavirus. I use Gotham Black and Gotham Book font. Adjust the size different images in the poster to make it attractive. Now, it looks cool. It started looking like poster. Now I add optical flare in the poster. Then, flip it horizontally. Change the layer mode to screen, also decrease the opacity of optical flare. Now I add the PNG file of my social media links. Place it at the bottom. Now it looks cool as well as similar to poster or banner. If you try to make any poster after watching this video, then post it on Instagram and tag me. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comments section as well as on Instagram. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.